In this video, I discuss when a point divides the line segment externally in a given ratio. So what is the concept? First, see the coordinate system. AB is a line segment. This is A, this is B. If we extend this at P, in this way, the P point divides AB externally in, suppose this is M and this is N. So AP is to BP equal to M is to M. So we need to find the coordinate of P. Now we can see triangle APH is similar to triangle ABG because see PAH is common angle. Angle ABG equal to angle APH. And angle AGB equal to angle AHP. Because these are 90 degree. So we can write triangle ABG is similar to triangle APH by AAA means angle similarity. Now we can write, now we know similar triangles or corresponding sides of similar triangle in proportion. So AB by AP equal to AG by AH. Now this is AP. Now AB, this is the AP is M, BP is N. So AB is M minus N. And AP is M. And AG is, you see, this length is x1, this is x2, this is R. So AG is x2 minus x1. And AH is R minus x1. Now cross multiply. Can write R M minus L equals to minus mx1 plus nx1 equal to mx2 minus mx1. This will be cancelled out. So you can write here R equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. So similarly, we can write S equal to my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So this is the coordinate of P, that is P mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n and my2 minus ny1 by m minus n.